Good morning, afternoon, evening, whenever anybody watches this. I wanted to pop on and say to you that prior to the reset button being pressed on all of us, I run a guest house and was struggling to find a network of communication for the hospitality industry, or hoteliers in particular, to give advice and search out and let us know what we needed. I came across Boostly just before the reset button was pressed. And I would like to say to you all, if you have the opportunity to do the 5-day challenge with Mark Simpson, grab it. It's amazing. And if you're in the hotel trade, it will open your eyes to great stuff. And it's one of those things that you really, really need to do.